Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio A500WA. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first you need to be in the timekeeping mode, and to make sure of that, just press the mode button several times until you hear the high-pitched beeping sound. That one. Okay, and then press and hold the adjust button on the top left until you see that the second is flashing. And now if the second is 30 or more, if you press the search button, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this. Okay, and if it is 29 or less, if you press the search button, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, next press the mode button, and now we can set the daylight saving. So if you want to activate, just press the search button on. If you want to deactivate, also the same button, and it is now off. Okay, press again the mode button. And now is the city. You can use these two buttons, the light and search button, to change the city. This one will move to the west or to the left side of the map, as you can see here, okay? And this one will go to the right or to the east side of the map. So let me use PKK because it is the same time zone as my city. Okay, next, press again the mode button, and we are moving to the hour. So for this one, you can use the light button to decrease the number. Okay, and you can use the search button to increase the number. Okay, next, press again the mode button, and now we are setting the minute. You can use the light button to decrease and use the search button to increase. Okay, again mode button, and now is the time format, so it's going to be 12 or 24 hour. You can use the search button to change the setting, so this one, the 12 hour, and this one is the 24 hour. Okay, press again the mode button. And now is the year. You can use these two buttons to change the number. So this one will reduce, and yeah, up to 2000 for the minimum number. And then you can use the search button to increase. It will goes up. Maximum is 2099, but you will need to set as your year right now. So yeah, let me set as 2024. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now we are moving to the month. This is January, so you can change by pressing the search and light button. Search will increase, light will decrease. Okay, and then again mode button, and now is the date. You can use the search button to increase. Let me check, what date is it today? This is 17, so let me press again the search button until 17. Okay, and then you can also use the light button to decrease. Yes, those two buttons. And then press again the mode button, and now is the setting of the backlight for the afterglow effect. So 1 meaning that the backlight will stays on 1.5 seconds, and if you press the search button, it will change to 3, meaning that the backlight will stays on for 3 seconds. So whichever you want. This means longer, but maybe will drain the battery faster, and this will keep the battery longer, but you will only get 1.5 seconds of the afterglow effect. Okay, and then after that, press the mode button and return to the second, meaning you're done with the basic setting. You can press the adjust button to exit or to quit from this setting mode, and done. You have set the time, date, and also the backlight for this watch, Casio A500W. And that's all for this video. Hopefully this is useful, and I will also make the more complete one and will post later on. Thank you for watching and have a great day.